In this video, we are going to see that if you want to zoom your screen while you are in recording, how we can do that. So it can save a lot of time to edit that afterwards and make all the zoom adjustments, which is a very time consuming task. So I'll go to Google and right here, zoom it, and you will get this software from the Microsoft Learn. So just click on that. Right now, while I'm recording this video, the latest version is Zoom It version 7.1. So I'll download this. This is only a 1 MB software. And once the download is complete, I'll just open the folder, right click to extract this, and we have the software right here. And this application will run directly. So I'll just double click on Zoom It, click on agree, and here we have the main screen. Now Ctrl+1 is the key with which you can execute the zoom or activate the zoom. So if you want to change this to another shortcut, you can change that as well, and it will show in the tray icon. You can also make the adjustments that run Zoom It when the window starts. You can also test this live zoom feature. You have other options to draw, to type, to break, etc. So let's just try this one. It will zoom it to 2x when we press the Ctrl+1 key. So right now, like I'm in recording, so I'll press the activate button Ctrl+1, and you can see that this is the zoom here, zoom it, and whenever we want to zoom out, you can click S. Similarly, if you want to zoom on this point, you can press Ctrl+1 and it will directly zoom to this point. Wherever your cursor is, it will zoom to that point. So as you can see here, now if you notice that if we press Ctrl+1, we won't be able to use the system now. We can only show it on the screen. So if you want to solve that, then we will use the live zoom option for that, and that was Ctrl+4. So if let's say if I want to show the sort options, so I'll press Ctrl+4 here, and it will zoom it, and then I can show the options as well. And once the option is shown, I can go back by pressing the Ctrl+4 key again, and we are back on the screen. Similarly, if we want to draw something on the screen when we zoom a particular object, we can do that as well. Let's say if I want to show the view options, so I'll press Ctrl+4 to zoom, and then press Ctrl+2 to highlight. And when you want to get rid of this all, I can press escape, and we are back on the screen. So guys, this is an amazing tool which will save you a lot of post editing time and will make your video editing process much easier. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.